at first I was hesitant kasi that's never been parang na ganun nga yung nagpo-post na ganyan. But then they're very open to do what I was comfortable doing, and then they're very open then for me to dalhin ko yung mga kaibigan ko like si BJ Pascual, si Gat Cruz, Albert Corneran, na yung team ko, parang komportable ako. And then, so there, then ginawa namin yung shoot, and then it was, muna kinakabahan ako, nanginginig ako, but then they're also nice, so okay naman, natawid namin yung Victoria.
Dati ba mo it's so liberating?
It is liberating to step out of your comfort zone. It's liberating to decide on your own and panindigan mo yun and actually be happy with what you've decided on, like with this whole Tanduay, and then get a lot of good words and praises on Instagram, ganyan. So nakakatuwa, nakakataba ng puso, and worth it siya.
Were there comments from your parents?
My dad knew that I was doing, but parang at this point, parang they don't wanna, ano anymore.
How do you feel na gano'n na?
I feel so good. I'm so happy. No.
Ready ka na bang maging pantasya ng mga kalalakihan, ng bayan?
Actually, hindi ko nga naisip na ganun nga kasi very pa-sweet ganyan. But I've always had that certain side of me that nobody has seen. But with this calendar, you know, parang very womanly. So, if they like, if they don't like, okay lang din.
What made you decide to post na after a long time?
It was a gut feel. It was, and then of course with Viva pa, they were there and they're saying, now's the time to do it, you know, parang ganyan. And so ginawa ko.
Nung makita ni nung dati na magpo-post ka pala ever sa calendar na isang before?
It was something that I always thought of. Parang, it would be nice, a very Victoria's Secret type. But I never really had the courage to do it, or I was always scared, ganyan. But you know, there comes a time in your life where you just have to do it and, you know, feel good about yourself.
So, first reaction ni Senator nung makita niya yung picture?
Natuwa siya. He was very happy. Nasa phone niya, sa nave niya. And then, yun nga, sabi niya gusto daw niya lagay sa office niya, pero hindi daw niya alam kung ilalagay ba daw niya o ano, o sa loob na lang daw ng kwarto niya. I don't know.
Did you ask him nung before accepting him?
Did you ask, na-open na ba yung maraming doors pag ganito sa pag-extend?
May mga nag-offer, but it's, again, when I said kanina, it's parang once in a blue moon thing. It's not something that I want to do. Parang I have so much other things that I'd like to do. This is just like a bonus from time to time, you know, given the right project and the right people, the right offer. So, go. Diba?
Tinanong mo ba si Senator Chis dito? I mean, did you ask permission before accepting?
Well, I told him na meron akong offer na Tanduay, ganyan. So, what do you think? Sabi niya, go, ganyan.
Ano yung advices niya?
He just said that as long as I felt comfortable doing it, na parang baka naman doon umiyak ako bigla, ganyan. Sabi ko, hindi naman. Sabi ko, tignan mo yung mga pegs, diba? Tignan mo kung kaya mo, kung di mo kaya, sasabihin mo. It was also para sa amin a good way to, an outlet for me to exercise yung saying no or saying yes, or papanindigan mo. Kasi ako sa hindi pong tao, hindi ako marunong humindi. So, yun.
So, ibig sabihin, Heart, kasi parang hindi ka na masasarili ng bonggang-bongga ni Senator sa mga pictures mo. Kumbaga parang pag-aari ka na ng maraming...
Well, ito naman talaga yung trabaho namin, di ba? And we have to do things that sometimes medyo nakakatakot gawin, but if you want to do it, so it's just part of life. That's just part of life, you know.
Na-appreciate mo siya na very liberated din
I appreciate him kasi when it comes to my dressing up, when it comes to my past relationships and the stupid things I've done in my past, which I was very open to him about, my escapades and whatever, he's very open-minded, and you know, it made me who I am, so okay siya doon.
May nilatag bang limitations sa Senator?
None.
Wala
Actually,
naman.
wala talaga. That's why I feel so good.
Sa tingin mo nagawa mo ito, nasa poder ka pa lang.
No, I don't think so.
Pero anong comment nila, Heart? Meron ba?
No.
Wala pa. Pero
Actually, I don't really get to speak to my mom at all. My dad, I get to say hi to him, but it's, you know, we're still not there yet.
So wala pang comment si daddy mo kahit dito? Wala pa.
Kaya, di ba sabi mga liberating, yung mga kumbaga nakakapag-decide yan ng sarili mo. Ang sunod naman ito, yung, syempre, okay naman kayo ni Senator Chis, yung issue ng pagpapakasal or nagpropose ba? Yun na ba yung next na plano ninyo?
Well, lagi na lang siya ganun. Pag meron akong suot na sing-sing, lagi na lang engaged na ako. But I'm a very open person. I like to say whatever's on my mind. So I would definitely let the fans know, or everyone on Instagram kung kakasal na ba ako. But at this point, hindi pa, because yun na nga, I'm in this point na I just want to do do what I need to do, what I always wanted to do, and now's not the time to get married. But you know, I mean, okay lang sa akin kung kakasal ako. I'm 28.
Would get married.
I'm open to anything. If I get married,
Sinat
if
ka bang
I'm
age limit for you to be able
before,
to
when I was young, yes. Pero as you get older, you know, life is not what you planned it to be.
pinaka-convince niyo?
It was just a time in my life. Timing siya sa lahat ng mga gustong gawin, a different direction, or you know, to express myself or whatever. Timing lang talaga siya.
Hard tuloy-tuloy na ba ito sa pagpapasexy? Like yung mga roles na,
No.
or yung ganyan?
Not
Pwede ka ba
necessary.
makita sa mga pelikula na naka two-piece?
No.
Talaga?
I don't know. I really don't know. I'm not so open to, okay lang hindi gumagalaw, pero gumagalaw. Parang medyo ibang usapan yun. So,